I table a report from the ICAC delegate Patricia Kelly SC titled Operation Sirocco, dated the 11th of April 2024, and seek leave to make a short statement.
Is leave granted? Those of the opinion say aye, to the contrary no.
Madam Speaker, Operation Sirocco outlines the mess which occurred under the former Labor government's watch regarding the prosecution of former Children's Commissioner Colleen Gwynne. This is an issue which has continued to generate nationwide public interest since the investigation into Colleen Gwynne first began under Labor in November 2018. Madam Speaker, on Monday this week, the Chief Minister was asked on Katie Wolf's radio program what action the new CLP government would take to ensure the Colleen Gwynne issue can be resolved. The Chief Minister said publicly that all options were on the table and this government would not rule out an inquiry into the Colleen Gwynne issue if it was required. This government has already taken strong action to improve the transparency and accountability in recruitment processes across government agencies. This includes acting Justice Alan Blow's independent inquiry into senior police appointments following the ICAC's findings relating to the former Police Commissioner Michael Murphy. As Attorney-General, I have been considering what further action I take in response to these issues surrounding the prosecution of Colleen Gwynne. Both the Children's Commissioner and the Director of Public Prosecutions fall within my portfolio responsibilities. Yesterday, my office formally wrote to ICAC to determine whether the Colleen Gwynne issue had been previously examined by ICAC. The ICAC confirmed they had investigated the matter previously, and yesterday afternoon they provided me with the Operation Sirocco report. I had the report overnight and have provided it to the House today. Now that the report has been tabled, I will be asking the Attorney-General's Department for a full briefing on the matter to determine what further action, if any, is appropriate. Madam Speaker, the ICAC Operation Sirocco report states that the police investigation into Colleen Gwynne began under the former Labor government in November 2018. The Operation Sirocco report was finalised on the 11th of April 2024, more than 4 months before the former Labor government was removed from office. Madam Speaker, the ICAC investigation into the Colleen Gwynne issue was delegated to Patricia Kelly SC on the 18th of September 2023, nearly 1 year prior to the election. This period covers the tenure of the now Leader of the Opposition, Selina Ubo, who previously served as Attorney-General, and concluded under the member for Gwaja, Chancey Pake's tenure as Attorney-General. The Operation Sirocco report also outlines a secret deed of settlement the former Labor government entered into with Colleen Gwynne in August 2023. Madam Speaker, we've repeatedly heard concerns about the lack of transparency, integrity and timeliness of responding to matters of this nature. Given the ICAC's Operation Sirocco report has now been tabled, the public has a right to ask questions of those opposite. What did the 2 previous Attorneys General and their staff know about Labor's secret ICAC report into Colleen Gwynne issue? And why was it hidden from the public for so long? Madam Speaker, today it is 343 days since ICAC's Operation Sirocco report was finalised. Only today is this report being put on the public record by the new CLP government. Thank you, Madam Speaker.